This is the text of the Virginia Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information.